had a great Christmas this year. I hope all you guys did too. I got an iPhone, which was really cool. I got a box of triple threads and a box of tier 1. So I'm just going to do a recap of it. Okay, from worst to best, but all of them were really nice. Brandon Beachy on card auto. Sorry, this is backwards. Dan Herron auto jersey. Hunter Pence jerseys, 18 out of 18. Heath Bell auto jerseys, really nice. Okay, and here are the 3 best hits I got. Joe DiMaggio jersey out of 75. Oh my god, Mickey Mantle bat. Yeah, that was one of the best hits I got. Not even the best. And that was from tier 1, and so was this. Can you read that? Topps tier 1 autograph, Albert Pujols. It's going to be on card. So 2 of my 3 hits from tier 1 were amazing. Absolutely amazing. I couldn't believe it. I would upload the video of me opening them, but it's kind of embarrassing. Me freaking out and all. But thanks for watching. Bye.